I'm gonna share with you guys behind the scene on how I shoot my wedding processions. It's chaotic. I need it to be cinematic. I have two other cameras on tripods, one in the back and one facing the groom, and I need to make sure everything is working. So, in the beginning, here I am using my Nikon ZR to get the shot, walking back, and I'm also making sure that I have etiquette where I'm just not blocking anybody. So I'm outside on the side, on the back, and I zoom in and I zoom out. So I got a zoom in shot right over here. The zoom in shot always looks very cinematic to me. So I go to the side and then I shoot from an angle of the groom walking down, which always looks great because then you could see the guests smiling and clapping. So that's always really good too. Always tapping on that screen to make sure the proper person is in focus instead of some other person. So there, just a turn around, and there's the rest of the bridal party, and I'm just making sure I have small time to adjust my second camera on tripod to make sure that the groom is in position. And I run to the back and I have enough time to turn on my back camera and make sure that's still recording and it's in proper position. Just enough time for me to get this shot of this couple walking down, and I'm in the right angle to get the groom hugging since I was already facing that position. Just double checking that second camera, make sure the groom's in focus, because I'm telling you, it's always chaotic of that camera angle. Alright, the next coming down, there it is, the aisle shot. So now I'm positioning myself by the aisle to make sure I get everybody, because now it's getting hectic. I need to be in center aisle position to make sure I get my shot, but at the same time I'm kneeling down. I'm not standing up, I'm not blocking people, I'm not in people's way, I'm not in the middle of the aisle. I've seen other shooters do that, which is crazy. So I'm on the side kneeling down, just getting some cool shots of everybody walking down, because now they're in tight formation to walk down, and I don't have time to move up anywhere else. So I get the groom's reaction, and of course I still got the two cameras rolling from the side and in the back as well too. Turn around, get my shot, and sometimes you get lucky. The people that are walking down are positioned far enough that you could get the groom hugging. A lot of times there's no time. You have to just stay facing the people walking down, the bride party walking down. But this one, they had some distance, so I was able to get the crowd shot, the hugging shot, which is great. I wish all weddings were like that, but sometimes it's crazy. So now I have enough time. The bride is going to come down. I have enough time to go to my second camera to make sure he's in focus, because now with all those faces, everything else will be in focus except him. That happens so much. So then back in the aisle, bride's about to walk down, but we got the ring bearer, and then we got the flower girls. They got some cool shots, and there's the flower girls right there. There you go. And I'm just, as you notice, I'm away from the middle of the aisle. I'm not blocking him. I'm not like, I've seen photographers and videographers do that. They just get right in the middle of that, which is crazy. But it's nice to have wedding etiquette and just make sure you're not disturbing and not running up just in people's face and blocking people's view. So I position myself where I'm sure. Oh, there it is. The bride's coming down. All right, let's get in position. Everyone stands up. Boom, the back camera catches her backside walking down, and there we are. There she goes. Boom, I got that shot. And my other camera on the side has the groom's reaction when the bride is walking down. Boom, there it is. Everyone's hugging. Just stick around to get all the hug shots. I'm looking, make sure that I'm not gonna hit anybody when I walk away. And there it is. Bunch of different angles in a chaotic wedding ceremony procession. So I placed my gimbal there because I want to make sure I keep rolling and get something. This is not a good angle for me. Look at this. I don't like it, but to me it's safe. It's something. So leave it there so that way I could run back quickly and get my tripod camera on the back and put it right in the middle, but not right, a little off to the right side, because if you put it in the middle, photographers are going to go to the middle and it's going to be blocked all the time. So you want to put it to the side and zoomed in or zoomed out, so that way if you get the shot where you walk right in the middle, then you're not going to be in that other camera angle. It's off to the side. So that's the best way to position that camera. Hit that like and subscribe for more.